Hello, I'm back, and in this video I'm sharing why I switched to System.io for all my funnels and automation and quite literally my entire business, and why I think it is actually the best platform for most online business owners, digital creators, and service providers. If you want to have a predictable way to get new clients and leads into your business, sell products and courses, and bring people into your world, then funnels are the way to do that, and System.io is the fastest and easiest platform to do so. But we'll get further into that. If we haven't met yet, my name is Kat, and over the last 10 years or so, I've been helping business owners with digital marketing and sales funnels, saving them lots and lots of time and generating millions in revenue. So everything I share here is based on real experience and not just theory. I started this channel about 4 years ago and then kind of ghosted after the birth of my second daughter. And so much has changed for me since then in my personal life and business life. I used to run a service-based business, helping business owners with their back-end systems. I used Dubsado for my client workflows and ClickUp to organize my work. And so a lot of my old videos are about those tools. But somewhere along the way, I realized that any business that relies on me being there to make money is not really a business, it's more of a glorified job. So now I'm a single mom of two. I actually work full-time in a digital marketing agency. I want a business that runs 24/7, basically on its own, and it just lets me create whenever inspiration hits, whenever I want to pour into it. But I don't necessarily have to. The fact that you can watch this video while I'm at work, or somebody can join my email list or purchase from me when I'm making breakfast or I'm with the kids, like that feels like freedom to me. So everything on this channel is based around that idea of creating a low maintenance business where you can focus on the things that are important to you and you don't have to worry about sending emails or the whole admin and marketing side of things. So I'm going to be sharing step-by-step tutorials, simple funnel strategies, and ready-to-use templates. Speaking of templates and making things easy, if you want to grab the exact freebie lead magnet funnel that I've built in my System.io, you can grab it for free via the link in the description. It is a one-click install into your own free System.io account. If you don't have one yet, you can actually get one for free. And they have a really great free account where you can collect up to 2,000 subscribers and you can literally build a whole funnel and sell things before you even have to pay for the platform. It removes a lot of pressure if you are starting out or if you're rebuilding. So now let me walk you through the other reasons why I love System.io so much. As we just touched on, the cost effectiveness, I used to be the person who would just buy all of the tools and the software because you got to invest in your business, right? So I would just have so many tools and pay so much every month for all of this software. And then half of them I wouldn't even use. So now I'm all about bootstrapping the leanest, simplest setup that I could possibly have. Like every time I want to pay for a subscription, I think like double twice if I really need it. And as I said, System.io has such a great free plan that you can literally set up your first funnel and sell a product that can then pay for the subscription. And also, even if you get a paid plan, I think the highest one is like 97 US. And there's other tiers before that. So it is still a lot more cost effective than most of the other platforms. And coming to the second point, which is the time saving. I always love it when people tell me I've joined this platform because the person gave me so much training or there's so much training material available. Who of us wants to sit there and learn the platform and spend all this time? With System.io, you literally don't really need training because I find it super intuitive. I didn't even do any training videos and I was already building funnels. But I've used a lot of platforms. But I think compared to the other ones, it's just so intuitive and easy to understand and easy to use that you don't really need a lot of training. And this is because it's really built for the solo business owner. A lot of the other platforms, you'll need your tech VA or somebody who looks after your funnels and your tech and your backend. And this one is really for the person that doesn't have that, who's a one-person business, who just needs to operate it all on their own and needs to understand and know how to use it straight away. And so one big part of that is the editor. As I said, I've used a lot of the other platforms and website builders in general. And one of the worst things, I think, where you want to throw your computer out the window is when these editors don't do what you want them to do. And it takes you forever to move things around and make it look how you want it to look like. And System's editor is super easy to use. Again, it's very intuitive, and you can very easily also duplicate. So once you have one funnel built in your design and your brand, you can easily just duplicate and change it up. So that's the same if you download my free lead magnet funnel and you import that into your own account. You can literally just change up the colors and the text and make it your own, and you'll be done in like a couple of minutes. And you can start growing your email list. Because the thing is, when you're building a business, iteration and speed of implementation, getting things out there is your friend. Like, nothing is going to be perfect from the start. So you really want to be able to launch that freebie, to launch that product, put it out there and get the feedback and do it again. And so the faster you can do that and the more your platform is supporting you in that, the faster you're going to grow your business and make money. So in conclusion, you don't need more tools, you just need better systems. So if I've convinced you a little bit and you want to get started with System.io, or even if you want to replicate that funnel into your own platform, you can go ahead to the description, just grab that free funnel template and start growing your email list and subscribers. And one of the things that we're going to look at in the coming videos is how to then turn these email subscribers into buyers, as well as so many other things like the ins and out of System.io, my favorite funnel strategies. And I also want to bring you behind the scenes of my business and talk about business energetics, because while strategy and systems are important and amazing, the real supercharge comes from the mindset and the energy that you bring to your business. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. I can't wait to see you in the next couple of videos and help you build better systems in your business so that you can spend more time on the things that you love.